Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make sauteed broccoli or broccoli ki sabji, which is not just delicious but healthy as well, as we'll be cooking it in very less oil. So friends, let's get started with this delicious broccoli recipe. So here I have taken one broccoli cut into medium-sized florets like this. And I have included the soft stems and stalk as well, as it contains the most fiber. And along with broccoli, I will include one large potato cut lengthwise in this way. And now I'm going to blanch them for just 1 minute. For that, heat some water in a saucepan along with half teaspoon of salt. And as the water starts to boil, we'll add the potato slices and the broccoli florets and we'll blanch them for 1 minute. So these are done now. I will drain the water off and rinse them with cold water. Next, in a chopper, I will mince or finely chop one medium-sized onion, one green chilli, one small piece of ginger cut into smaller portions, 3 large garlic pods sliced lengthwise into half, and 1 large tomato roughly chopped. Now close the lid and within a minute you will get finely chopped or minced onion, garlic, ginger and tomatoes ready. Let's check once. So this is ready just the way I want it, and now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a non-stick pan and into it goes around a teaspoon of refined oil. You can also add olive oil if you want. And when the oil is hot, goes 1/4 teaspoon of Sabut, Zeera or Cumin seeds. Let them crackle for a while. Next goes the minced onion, ginger, garlic and the tomato. And on medium flame, we will saute them until the color changes and the raw taste goes away. And by now the onion, tomato, ginger, garlic has been well sauteed. And now we'll quickly season it with half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of dhaniya or coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of kali mirch or black pepper and half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. And now on medium flame we will saute the spices well until they are well combined. And once the masala or the spice mix is ready, we will add the blanched broccoli and potatoes into the pan. And on medium flame, we will stir them and mix them well with the spice mix. Alright, mixing is done. And now we will cover and let them cook on medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. After about 6 minutes, we'll remove the lid and stir the broccoli and potatoes once. They are almost 90% cooked by now. At this stage, I'm going to add onion, green, red and yellow bell peppers cut into medium chunks. This will make our broccoli sabji colorful and will also add a nice flavor. We'll saute them for another 2 to 3 minutes while retaining the bright color and crunchiness of the bell peppers. Finally, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder and some finely chopped coriander or cilantro. Give this a final mix. And our sauteed broccoli is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our healthy and delicious sauteed broccoli on the serving bowl. Enjoy this as a healthy side dish. So friends, I hope you will try this recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.